Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today I have another older padlock. This one is the Almont rekey padlock. You can see the distinctive little cutout notch thing here for use with it when repinning the lock, because it's a repinnable padlock. So, using a Yale keyway. And I got this one from Macari. There's a bicycle here scratched into the key with, what is this, DL? Yeah. Long shackle. I've been informed that the longer shackles are more rare, harder to find. But just like the Corbin, we do have a lot of patina here on the body of the padlock. It is a brass body. Don't think I'm going to clean it up any, but that's the key bitting. And then here a little bit more. You can see some high lifts in 1, 2, and 5. 3 is about a mid lift, and 4 is the lowest. And if I take a look at it here, with this groove running through here, lines up with the warding there. So if I take a look at it here, we don't have to move 4 a whole lot. Excuse me. So it's kind of grimy inside with the pins, so there's not a whole lot of feedback that you get. Things just kind of feel somewhat mushy. There are clicks you can hear when some of the pins set, but for the most part, no. And then when it finally does open, it just kind of opens unclimactically. But we'll get this put up in the vise and we'll get it picked open. All right, so that's the Almont rekey padlock. I don't have the tools to gut it, so I'm not going to. But hope you enjoyed it, liked it, found it entertaining. Mm-hmm. Nobody told you. You matter. You're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good one.
Juno, you want to subscribe?